A person who gains as a result of something beneficial. Gains as a result of beneficial. Deprived of or lacking of something bereft. Deprived of or lacking of something bereft. Any soft drink except water beverage. Any soft drink except water beverage. Any soft drink except water beverage. A group of girls, boys, birds, baby, bivai. A group of girls, boys, or birds, bivai. A group of bird, girls, or boys, divide. A list of the book referred to in a scholarly work. Bibliography. Bibliography. A list of the book referred to in a scholarly work. Bibliography. Preoccupation with the acquisition and possession of book. Bibliomania. A person who loves or collects books. Bibliophile. 2200th anniversary. Bicentennial. A thing which happens every 2 years. Biennial. Yeah. A person who is intolerant towards bigot. Intolerant towards those holding different opinions. One who has narrow prejudice. Bigot. A person who can speak only two languages. Bilingual. Twice a month. Bi-monthly. Capable of being decomposed by biological agents, especially bacteria. Biodegradable. The story of a person's life written by somebody else's biography. Some study of living organisms. Biology. Living organisms. Biology. The removal of tissue from the body of somebody who is ill and its examination in order to find out more about the disease. Biopsy. Very strange or unusual, bizarre. Strange or unusual, bizarre. Very strange or unusual, bizarre. Words uttered impiously about God by blasphemy. The act of speaking irreverently about a sacred thing by blasphemy. The sound made by ship blit. The sound made by ship blit. A person of South African Dutch descent. Boer. A person of South African Dutch descent. Boer. One who doesn't follow the usual rules of social life or an unconventional style of living. Bohemian. Subject to a continuous flow of question, criticism, or information. Bombard. Using high sounding words but with little meaning. Bombastic. Huge fire for celebration. Bonfire. Dwarf varieties of trees and shrubs grown in pots. Bonsai. Dwarf varieties of trees and shrubs grown in pots. Bonsai. A sum of money added to a person's wages as a reward for good performance. Bonus. An avid book reader. one who reads a lot, bookworm, avid of book reader, bookworm. A hunting weapon which comes back, used by Australian Aborigines, boomerang. To take something on loan with the intention of returning it, borrow. One who is well versed in the knowledge of plants, botanist, the scientific study of plants and their structure, botany. A narrow or busy section of a road where the traffic often gets slower and stops, bottleneck. A broad road bordered with trees, boulevard. An arrangement of flowers that is usually given as a present bucket, belonging to middle class bourgeois. A small shop that sells fashionable clothes, boutique, affecting or relating to cows or cattle, bovine, or relating to cows or bovine. A shady place under trees, bower. A shady place under trees, bower. An act of breaking or falling to observe a law, rich. A factory where beer is made, brewery. Leather straps put around a horse head to control its bridle. Member of a band of robbers brigand. Hard but easily broken, liable to easily brittle. The young of an animal cared for at one time, a family of young birds brood. A meal that is usually taken late in the morning that combines a late breakfast and an early brunch. A woman with dark brown hair, brunette. An itemized summary of estimated budgeting. An itemized summary of estimated expenses for a given period, along with a proposal for financing them, budgeting. Gold and silver before using for manufacturing ornaments, bullion. Gold and silver before using for manufacturing ornaments, bullion. A collection of sticks bundle. A large single detached house with single or double story, bungalow. Carry out a task clumsily or incompetently, bungle. Carry out a task clumsily or incompetently, bungle. A floating container anchored to the sea bottom, so used for directing ships and warning them of possible danger. Boy. A government run by officials in a state bureaucracy. A person who enters a building illegally in order to steal, burglar. Hole excavated by an animal as a dwelling, burrow. The sound made by buzz, place where cows are sheltered. Byre, B-Y-R-E, byre, cow sheltered byre. A group of things that have been hidden in some place, cache. Of things hidden in some place, cache. One who is bad in spellings, cacographer. Harsh or discordant sound, loud, confusing, disagreeable sounds, an incongruous or chaotic mixture, cacophony. Completely lifeless and unresponsive, cadaverous, completely lifeless and unresponsive, cadaverous. Rhythmic flow or sounds or words, cadence, rhythmic flow or of sounds or words, cadence. The young one of a calf, the young one of a calf, a person who is skilled at producing beautiful handwriting, calligrapher, the art of beautiful handwriting, calligraphy, a man devoid of kind feeling and sympathy, callous, that which makes it difficult to recognize the presence or real nature of something, camouflage, a person who eats human flesh, cannibal, love for dogs, canophilia, a person who has money especially invested in business, capitalist, house or shelter of a gypsy, a group of people, especially traders or pilgrims, traveling together across a desert, caravan, the dead body of an animal carcass, the dead body of an animal carcass, something which is considered to be very important, cardinal, something which is considered to be very important, cardinal, a doctor who specializes in the study or treatment of heart disease, cardiologist, the study of the heart and its action and disease, cardiology, a picture of a person or thing drawn in such a highly exaggerated manner as to cause laughter, caricature. The war resulted in ruthless killing of many animal carnage. Animals that eat meat, carnivorous. Song which is sung in a church by a group of singers, carol. A person who draws or makes maps, cartographer. The art or process of drawing or making maps, cartography. An amusing drawing about politics events in the news, cartoon. A fall of water from a great height, cascade. A place where gambling games are played, casino. A large deep pot used both in the oven and as a serving vessel, casserole. A list of collection of books or informative graphics, catalog. A substance that speeds up a chemical reaction without being consumed by the reaction itself, catalyst. An event causing great and sudden damage or suffering, catastrophe. Causing great damage or suffering, catastrophic. A local meeting of party members to select candidates, elect convention delegates, etc. Caucus. A large deep metal pot used for cooking over open fire, cauldron. Soldiers who fight on horseback, cavalry, horseback cavalry. The sound of a cow, a time when enemies agree to stop fighting, cease fire, the state of being unmarried by choice, celibacy, ungrounded place for strong right or other provisions, cellar, a large burial ground cemetery, a person who is 100 years old or more, centenarian, the 100th anniversary of an event, centennial, anything tending to move away from center, centrifugal.